Hello, I'm John Manito, Director of Business Development with Meyer Sound, and we're here at InfoComm 2018. We're excited to talk about at this show on our booth what we're doing with manufacturing and how we manufacture our products, the quality that goes into it. So what we did is we worked with a company to develop these really cool interactive screens that allow us to show really how the manufacturing process works when we manufacture our drivers in Berkeley, California. How we hand make each diaphragm with its voice coil, how we manufacture our frames, our suspensions, our Nomex suspensions are shown. So this first screen allows you to see that. The second screen is all about really kind of what goes into the testing and development of the products, how we engineer our products. We take weather protection very seriously, we take rigging very seriously, and this allows you to touch on a button and see how these products are tested and developed. And so it's a really cool way of being able to kind of get further into what we're doing at the factory if you're not at the factory, and but we do welcome factory tours. The other thing we do is on each screen is that you can test your knowledge. If you've gone through it, why not do a little quick quiz and how you, whether you understood what each one of these was, and by taking one of our little quizzes. What's the shape of this loudspeaker? Is it a dodecahedron? Is it a miragon? Etc. And the last one of the three screens is about complete solutions and our toolkit. Really what goes into the workflow of deploying a big system or a small system. What we do with Compass, our software that interfaces with Galaxy, RMS monitoring all of the nodes in the loudspeakers, what's really happening with each loudspeaker. Also design with Map Online or Map XT, as well as what we do with constellation systems, really how we're a systems-oriented company and what that means. So that's it. If you want to learn more, feel free to visit meyersound.com.